Hey YouTube family, so I wanted to quickly do a video about the benefits of using your spoiled milk. Now y'all know I be prepping. I'm a prepper. So I buy this shelf stable milk. I don't know if y'all know that Dollar Tree sells this Modern Pantry brand milk that is shelf stable. So it's not something that you got to put in the refrigerator. So I, you know, get my milk that I consume for like cereal or whatever milk, pancakes, whatever I'm cooking, I get that from the grocery store. But I do also purchase shelf stable milk because, like I always tell y'all and preaching to y'all, we got to be prepared for if we can't go to the grocery store to buy whatever it is that we need. So I buy the shelf stable milk. However, it does have an expiration date, and some things can go past the expiration date and you might be okay with it, like canned goods, but stuff like this milk, this does not last long past the expiration date. So I bought some of these last year and I realized that they expired, some in May, some in July, and I'm going through trying to rotate, in my pantry, just rotating stuff around to, use the old stuff, replace it with some new stuff, as we should all be doing. And I realized I have some milk that has gone bad. So I wanted to tell y'all, don't throw away your milk that goes bad. Whether it's, milk that you get from the grocery store, or if it's something like shelf stable milk. You can take a bath with your milk. You can pour this in your bath water, and this is gonna be, the fat from this is going to tighten your skin. It is going to moisturize your skin. There's so many benefits from milk, especially when it starts to spoil, like the solids, and if it separates, and you get that. I mean, I don't go using the real disgust. First of all, you shouldn't even have milk in your refrigerator that long where it's just like completely disgusting. We want to do better, right? Start seeing it go bad, you want to replace it or use it or do something with it. However, sometimes things happen, no condemnation over here, no judgment free zone over here, okay? But if it does get that bad, I mean, you know I don't know if you want to take a bath with it, but you can. But when you do start to have that sour smell, you're like, okay, this is going bad. Like, definitely you could use it for your bath to, it's gonna be vitamins and nutrients to your skin. Okay? This is going to make you feel soft and, you know, luxurious. Okay? So you can use this for your bath, and also you can put milk on your skin, on your face, as a mask for about 15 minutes, and it tightens your pores. Okay, so this is also going to tighten your pores, and it is also vitamins and nutrients for your face, for your skin. So do not throw away your milk. Make use of everything that you have in your fridge, in your cabinets, your pantry, whatever it is. Find something that you can do with it when it is starting to go bad. I mean, some things you just gotta throw away, okay? Some stuff you just gotta throw away. But now, how expensive food is, it is crucial that you either cook up your old food and give it to the homeless. Go feed somebody with something that is going bad. If you're not going to eat it or feed it to your family, cook it up, go give it to the homeless. Do something, give it away. We want to do better with the food and everything that God has blessed us with, because we are going into some times where there's going to be a lot of food insecurity. So let's not waste. But yeah, definitely don't waste your spoiled milk. Make use with your spoiled milk. You can also give it to, like, mix it with some water. Mix it with some water, and if you have like a dog or cat, mix a little bit of 50-50. However much you're gonna give to your animal, you could put 50% water, 50% of the spoiled milk, and the pets will, I don't have a pet, but I'm saying, but what I've seen other people do with their spoiled milk, they gave it to their pets, and the pets loved it. Okay, the pets loved it. So you can give it to your pet as well. And remember, you know, if somebody's probably like, ew, spoiled milk, I'm not giving that to my pet, or I'm not doing nothing with. If you eat cheese, you're eating spoiled milk. So that is another thing that you can do with your spoiled milk. You can make cottage cheese. Like cheese is spoiled milk. Okay, so there's many things that you can do with your spoiled milk. Like if it does get that real bad where it separates and it's just like, you know, it's real bad, you can make cheese with that, cottage cheese. So there is plenty of things to do, guys. If y'all want to see a video on how you make that, just let me know in the comments, and I could get a video of how you would make cheese from your spoiled milk. But yeah, definitely make good use of your spoiled milk, okay? And start buying some shelf-stable milk if you don't have none on your shelves somewhere in your pantry or wherever you keep your food. Start buying some shelf-stable milk, because if it was ever a time that we couldn't get to the grocery store to get fresh milk, you want to have something, another alternative for milk. So start buying it, and if it go bad, make good use of it, okay? All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video very soon. Stay tuned.